don't know about y'all, but I'm in the mood for some manicotti. That's right. I want some good, hearty Italian food. And guess what? I'm going to teach you how to make it homemade using the best ingredients. I'm telling you, it's simple, delicious, and you can have it ready for your dinner in no time at all. Come on, let me show you how to make it. All right, we got a baked manicotti on the lineup for today. Take a look at the ingredients. This is what your basic manicotti is going to take a look like. But I'm going to tweak the recipe, as you'll see here in a little bit. Pause this list of ingredients if you need to, because that will help you. This is the basics to make a super delicious dish. I'm ready. You're ready. Let's go. All right, first things first, get you a pot and boil that water. Add some salt to it. Then we're going to go ahead and start making our cheese. That's right. Come in here with about a cup and a half of that beautiful ricotta cheese. This stuff is good. Wait till you see what we're going to do. Crack open 2 large eggs. Get them in here. That's right. Don't get no shells. Now we're going to come in with our seasonings. Hit it up with some parsley. Follow that up by some thyme. Then we're going to sprinkle in some oregano. And last but not least, follow that up with some basil. And then we got our clove garlic. Go ahead and get that all in there. And this adds just that extra element. Now, as a true country staple, you've got to have that smoked paprika. And, of course, we got that cooking time with Johnny seasoning. Then you're going to add in your fresh spinach greens. Get that all in there and smash it all together. That's right. You're just looking to make this into like a batter. I forgot to tell you I added another cup and a half of ricotta cheese to this. This is going to be the filler for our Manicotti Shells. Consistency you're looking for right here. All right. To this, you're going to come in and add your Parmesan cheese. That's right. Go ahead and just start mixing this, incorporating it all together. And by the way, the colder the ingredients, the better this is going to come out. So keep everything in the fridge to the very last minute. Except for your seasonings. Those should be on your shelf. If you got seasonings in the fridge, let me know. Then I'm doing something wrong. But let me know in the comments below, guys, where you keep your seasonings. All right, let's get back to the video. Got this mixed up. Now we're going to add our favorite cheese. That's right. Adding in some mozzarella. God, I'm getting hungry just watching this. And y'all are trying to watch this too? Good Lord, mix this all in there. All right, this is the consistency we are looking for right here. Nice and mixed up. On to the next step. Remember that water we had? Yeah, we're boiling it for these Manicotti shells. Take a look at these guys. By the way, let me know in the comments below if you want to see some stuffed shotgun shells. Hey, could be a future recipe. I don't know, I'm just saying. But either way, get your manicotti in here. This is 2 packages, or no, sorry, 1 package. Get it in there. Get them all boiling. Cook them from roughly 7 to 8 minutes. We are slightly undercooking these noodles because we do not want them to be too soft when we go to put in the stuffing. All right, this is what we're looking for. Drain them and get them placed onto a plate, as you see me doing here. Gonna fast forward it. Thank God for time lapse. Take a look at all these shells and let them cool down. It's very important you let them cool down before handling them. All right, to your favorite baking casserole dish, go ahead and get your homemade sauce. Remember that from the other recipe? That's right, coming in handy. If you ain't got it homemade, that's okay. Go ahead, get you some store-bought. It's just fine. You can even use canned sauce if you want to, but you just want to put a good layer of that on the bottom. And then we're going to sprinkle in more of that beloved golden Parmesan cheese. That's right, cheese is like gold. What can be better than Parmesan cheese? Oh, you guessed it. More cheese and mozzarella cheese at that. Go ahead, add that in as well. This is going to be a bedding for what's to come. All right, as you can see, I did not paint my nails. That's right, I did not have a baking filling baggy thingy that you would use. So Miss Maddie taught me a trick here. Take a look, guys. Take a Ziploc bag, put all of your stuff inside, and just get it ready. Now your noodles should be cool enough. Go ahead and get this plastic Ziploc bag, and well, I guess Miss Maddie is going to teach us how to do it because she doesn't want me to do it. Go ahead, cut the end off of one corner, and you're just going to pipe this in. That's what it's called, a piping bag. Ah, got it. Finally get it. Just go ahead and start piping in your cheese filling into these manicotti shells. As you can see right here, we're going to go ahead and put them on top of the bed of cheese and sauce. Oh my God, I'm getting hungry just looking at this. What you're seeing right here is the hardest part of this job. If you can get the piping done and get all that cheese filling into your shells, then you have already done the hardest part of this. Just line them up as you see here, and then you're just going to go ahead and take your sauce and pour it on top of your manicotti shells and spread it around. This is just amazing, and we are not done. We are adding more cheese. That's right. Go ahead, hit it with some more Parmesan cheese. Oh, this is going to smell so good. And of course, yeah, we got to get that pull effect. Get that mozzarella in there, and just look at what we got. Look at this. All right, now to season it, go ahead and add a little bit of smoked paprika to the top. That's going to give it that country flavor that we love. Hey, I said this is the home of simple recipes with that country twist. Go ahead and get these in the oven roughly anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes. And guys, look at what you got. You have yourself the most delicious Italian recipe there ever has been invented. I'm telling you. I just love manicotti. No matter how you cook, Maddie loves it. The kids love it. Take a look. Get these plated up with some bread on the side with some butter. And that's right. Not this time. That's right. I'm super hungry. Guys, thank you for watching Cooking Time with Johnny, the home of simple, fun, delicious recipes with a country twist. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing. And we'll see you in the kitchen next time. Bye, guys.